Yeah.
Am I the most craziest girl in Budapest? To be honest, one of the most crazy.
Of course. Are you not?
Yeah, of course. Am I not? Okay, at least when I was with my boyfriend, I was calm down, right?
I don't know. I will not say.
Alright, that's crazy. Okay.
I don't you. Did you come down?
I was literally like a loyal ass bitch back of those days. Am I not?
How would I know?
And that's crazy.
How would I know?
Bro, you know me. Once I have a boyfriend, I was like,
I was not going out with you. I was not seeing you.
exactly. That's what I meant. Like, you don't even see me.
Maybe you have a reason for not me and you not to see. But you can see other people apart from me.
Which one? Bro, like, all the black guys that I fuck, like, you already know them. Okay. Alright, then see you tonight. I'm excited to see you. I'm so excited to see you guys.
That's I'm thinking.
Bro, you are thinking to not see me?
Yes.
Why is that?
Because it's going to be somehow. I don't know.
You see, that's the thing. I know you're gonna feel embarrassed, so you're not gonna like avoid me in this kind of like situation, right?
If you are me, what are you going to do?
Nothing. We go there. We like nothing. I'm gonna say hi to everyone, like friends, and I'm gonna choose one of you guys, like like you. Yeah.
You see what I'm talking about. So if I take something, you choose one of us.
I love that. Let me just do this, please. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna choose you, baby boy.
Nah, no.
I will.
That's not true.
That's the truth. That's the truth. Trust me. Okay. Let me know. Otherwise, I'm gonna test one of them to like
Yeah, I can test them if you want to.
No, please, let me know where the club is. It's okay. I'm gonna go there alone. I'm not gonna talk to any of you guys.
Yeah,
I can just hang out by myself. All right.
Test them. You see.
No. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna text them.
No, I know that you will. So
Bro.
test them.
If I'm gonna text them, why am I texting you right now? Why I'm calling you right now? Huh?
I don't know.
You see? Are you jealous right now?
Because you are calling me because
of what?
Because you don't know what I just told you what is happening. You don't know.
I'm just kidding. Let me know where you're going. Okay?